In this quick tutorial I will show you how to check your sent email on Gmail Mail. I will show you how to locate your sent mails on a computer, PC and on a mobile phone as well. This is a straightforward tutorial, so open an internet browser of your choice. It can be Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla, whatever, and in the search bar at the top you have to type mail.google.com. So if you just moved to Gmail Mail from another platform and you're new to it, this is a great guide to start from. So now let's try to compose a new email and I will send it to myself just so I can show you how I can locate that later on. So I put my own email and at subject let's write something like this email was sent by myself. Okay, and we don't have to compose anything else. I will press on send and my email has been sent. Now on the computer this is very easy. We just have to press on send right here in the top left. You can locate this menu and if you press on send, in this folder will arrive all the sent emails, and this is my email with this email was sent by myself. Alright, we just located it. On the mobile phone I will use the Gmail Mail application, the Gmail app. You can get this from the Play Store if you have an Android, or if you have an iOS device, an iPhone, you have to download it from the App Store. Okay, so that being said, let's open it. And on the phone it's a little bit hidden, but it's not hard to get to. So in the top left corner of the screen you can locate these three lines. Let's hit these three lines. Now this menu will pop up and now we can locate here send. Let's press on send and this is the same send folder that we were in on the PC. Alright, and at the top this is the email that I sent and we just found it now. So that's how to find your sent emails, how to find your sent mails on Gmail Mail. I hope this helps and thanks a lot for watching.